welcome to Joy Tales at Little Step Stories, Episode 7. Nora reveals her superpower. In the previous story, we saw that Nora attacked Aya. Now let's see what happens further. Aya was scared, very scared, when she realized that her superpower didn't work on Nora and now she was under attack. Nora looked sharp into Aya's eyes and said, "Don't worry, I fight fair. I will give you a chance to fight for your life." And she stepped down and walked away from Aya. Aya was surprised to see that Nora didn't harm her. Before she could think any further, Nora said, "The fight isn't over. It has just begun. Get up before I attack you again." Aya stood up and called for the winds immediately and said, "May a swirl of wind emerge around Nora." As soon as she said it, a swirl of wind emerged around Nora. But to Aya's surprise, the winds could not harm Nora at all. Nora was standing right in front of her, holding her ground firmly. Aya decided to step closer to the winds and see how Nora was unaffected. The swirl of wind was very strong and Aya couldn't go any closer. Aya moved the swirl of wind away towards her right. And when the cyclone moved away, she saw a highly unusual sight. Nora was unaffected because she was standing covered in a thick ice shield. In a matter of seconds, the swirl of wind that had moved to the right caught hold of a tree and uprooted it. The tree fell right where Nora was standing. Aya thought it would kill Nora, but to her surprise, the tree fell right on Nora and the ice shield protected her. Even the tree could not break the ice shield, thought Aya. Rather, the tree branch broke apart when it collided with the ice shield. Aya saw that the swirl of wind she had created was moving fast into the woods. She had to control that first. The cyclone hit the tree where Nanuk was sitting, and Nanuk fell right on his head and bumped against the ground. But he was strong enough to withstand the fall and stood up in a while. Aya commanded the winds to calm down to avoid any further damage. "Are you okay?" Aya asked Nanuk. "Yes," replied Nanuk. "Watch out!" Nanuk shouted as he saw Nora coming right towards them. He picked up a stone and threw at her. As soon as Nora saw the stone coming, she used her superpower again and covered herself in an ice shield. The stone hit the ice shield and cracked into pieces. "How does she do that?" Nanuk shouted in astonishment. "You are not the only one, Aya, whom the earth goddess has blessed with a superpower," Nora said from her unbreakable ice shield.